of 12 months. Let me take you on a journey through the 12 months of the year, each with its own charm, spelling, and special day. January. January. The year begins with January, cold and fresh, whispering new beginnings. On January 1st, New Year's Day, the world celebrates with joy, resolutions, and fireworks, a month of hope and determination. February. February. February, the shortest month of the year, but filled with love. February 14th, Valentine's Day, spreads romance and warmth in hearts, and sometimes February brings an extra day, leap year. March. March. March marches in with change. Winter fades and spring awakens. On March 8th, International Women's Day, we honor the strength of women. Nature blooms, and April. April. April is a playful month, laughing with raindrops and sunshine. On April 1st, April Fool's Day, tricks and pranks bring laughter everywhere. But don't be fooled. April brings renewal too. May. May. May is warm and welcoming, with flowers in full bloom. May 1st, International Workers' Day, salutes hard-working souls worldwide. A month of gratitude and bright skies. June. June. June arrives with longer days and summer vibes. On June 21st, the summer solstice, the sun shines its longest, celebrating the joy of light and warmth. July. July. July is bold and bright, carrying patriotism for many nations. On July 4th, Independence Day, USA, fireworks light up the sky. It's a month of freedom and celebration. August, August, August is grand, holding history and pride. On August 15th, India's Independence Day, a nation remembers its freedom struggle. A month of courage and heritage. September, September. September hums a song of golden leaves. September 5th, Teachers' Day, India, honors those who shape minds and futures. A month of wisdom and gratitude. October, October. October brings chills and festivities. On October 31st, Halloween, ghosts and goblins roam the night, seeking treats and scaring for fun. A month of mystery and excitement. November, November. November whispers the arrival of winter. November 11th, Veterans Day, USA, salutes the brave souls who serve their nations. A month of remembrance and honor. December, December. And at last, December arrives, the grand finale. On December 25th, Christmas, joy spreads with lights, gifts, and love. A month of warmth in the cold, bringing people together.